welcome to the fourth episode of Science with Safina. Today we are going to be talking more about familiarity. So, the first thing that we are going to do is watch a 10-second clip 3 times in a row. What I want you to look for is whenever the clip plays again, try to see if it feels like it is going faster than the time before. After you watch the clip, I will elaborate more on this idea. I first noticed this idea when I was watching commercials, but it works for other things too, like movies. What I noticed is that whenever a commercial I had seen before came up again, it felt like it went faster, like I could predict what would happen next. You may have experienced that when you watched the clip I showed you. You knew when you would see the forest and when it would change to the beach. This would happen if I rewatched movies as well. The story would seem faster since I knew the plot and what events came after the other. Although I am not exactly sure how this theory works, I do think that it is interesting to think about and look for. So whenever you are watching TV, try and see if it happens again. Another point I want to bring up is if you watch the video Familiarity Part 1 a second or third time, it doesn't work anymore. You are already familiar with the video, the picture of the mountains, and the song. Every time you watch it, it becomes more and more familiar, and perhaps seems shorter and faster. Although this wasn't a very long video, I think that it helps expand on familiarity and how it can pop up in day-to-day life. Whether it is bumping into someone you can't quite pinpoint or looking through old photos, familiarity can be found in many places. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Have a great day and thanks for watching.